In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in middle of page in WPS Office Writer. This approach is simple, reliable, and works perfectly when you want your text to appear balanced and professional, especially for title pages, cover pages, certificates, or announcement documents. By using this method, your text will stay centered both vertically and horizontally on the page. Begin by opening your document and making sure you are working on the page where you want the text to appear. Click the Insert tab at the top of the screen, then Insert a Table. A one-by-one table is all you need for this process. This single-cell table gives you full control over positioning without affecting the rest of your document layout. Once the table is inserted, move your mouse just below the bottom line of the table. You will notice an arrow pointing up and down. Click and drag this arrow downward to stretch the table vertically. Adjust it until the table fills most of the page. This step is important because it allows the text inside the table to sit exactly in the middle of the page from top to bottom. After resizing the table, click inside the table cell. Set the vertical alignment by clicking Align Middle, which places the content in the center of the cell vertically. Then click Center to align the text horizontally. With both alignments applied, anything you type inside the table will automatically appear centered in the middle of the page. Now type the text you want to display. Highlight the text to adjust its size using the Font Size option at the top. Increase or decrease the size until it looks proportionate to the page. You can also change the text color, make it bold, or apply italic formatting depending on your preferred style or the purpose of your document. Next, click the Table Style tab. From there, click the drop-down beside Border and select No Border. This removes the visible table lines and leaves only the centered text. You may still notice a lightly shaded box around the text, but there is no need to worry. This is only an invisible guide and will not appear once the document is printed. To confirm this, click the Print Preview at the top. You will see that the text remains perfectly centered on the page without any visible borders or boxes. Once you are satisfied with the appearance, your centered text layout is complete and ready for use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.